Welcome to our university YouTube channel. Before we begin the practical, let's identify the parts of the light microscope. These are the main parts of the microscope: ocular lens, objective lenses, stage, condenser, diaphragm, light source, arm, slide holder, coarse adjustment, fine adjustment. Now that we have identified all the parts, let's proceed directly to the demonstration.
First of all, we'll identify the parts of the microscope. First of all, we'll look at the structure of the microscope. This thing we call the base of the microscope, and this is the thing we call the arm. So when we transport this microscope to somewhere else, we have to hold it like this, using both arm and the base when we are transporting it. And there are two sets of lenses. First one is the eyepiece. We call this one eyepiece. The magnification of the eyepiece varies from 5x to 20x. In this case, we have a 10x lens. Then we have the center tube, which connects the objective lens into the eyepieces. Here we have the revolving nose piece. It contains 4 lenses in this microscope, which we call them objectives. Objectives have different kind of magnification levels. The total magnification we take by multiplying the eyepiece magnification with the objective lenses magnification. This thing we call the stage. We use stage to hold our specimen or the slide we prepared to observe, and stage clip we use to hold the slide firmly. And we have the stage adjustment knob here, and also we have few adjustment knobs as well. This one we call the coarse adjustment knob or the rough adjustment knob. We only use this one for the lowest magnification only. For other magnification, we only use the fine adjustment knob. And here you can see the switch for microscopes, light source to be on and off. Also the intensity also could be adjusted by using that particular knob. And also we have light source here. We are using electricity to power it up. But when the first light microscopes come into the action, they use a mirror underneath the stage to light the specimen up. So when we are using a light microscope, we have to keep in mind for particular things. We can only use it. First of all, we have to use the lowest magnification lens. So what we do is we switch on our power light source and turn it into a low setting. And I forgot to mention that we have two things called diaphragm and condenser here. But most of the US models, the condenser is fixed. But here you can see we can adjust both of them. Both of these are controlling the light intensity of the microscope. Okay. Now we take the slide into our hand and slip it through. Okay, now we have to focus our slide into the light source. Then we can use the rough adjustment mode to get a rough image of our desired object into the lens. Then we can use the fine adjustment knob to get a better focus or a sharp image. After then, we can go to the rotating nose piece or another objective lens to get a better image or better magnification, and there we can only use the fine magnification only. After that, we have the 400x magnification. There also we have to use only the fine adjustment knob. After that, if we want to take a further magnified image or observation, we have to use 1000x or oil immersion lens. But when we are using the oil immersion lens, we have to use something special called immersion oil in this particular scenario. The reason being, light coming through the lens is, when it is traveling through the air, it tends to bend. So when it is bending, the light coming through the lenses are not much clear, or we call them the revolving power is low. When we use the immersion oil, we can come in, we can reduce that light bending happening through the air. That's why we are using the light immersion oil. So after we take the observations, what we have to do is first we lower the stage, then we remove our slide. Then if we had used any immersion oil, we have to clean the immersion oil lens. Then we have to turn it into the lowest magnification. Then we have to turn off the light switch and turn off the. That's all. And when we have to, if you have to move this to some place else, you guys have to do what I have told you. Like you have to hold it like this. That's all. If you are done using the microscope, we have special covers made to cover the microscope up. We don't let it sit like that. We have to cover it up using this special grade cover. Like this.